What's going on, guys? Techno Plus is back with a new video, and today I'm gonna show you the 7 best foods to eat when you're sick. The last one is my favorite one, and I think it is the best for you when sick. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Food number 1, chicken soup. Chicken soup has been known for centuries, not only for its effect but also for its comforting. It is very light and easy to digest, exactly what you want when you are sick. It is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, iron and protein. These are what your body needs when you are ill. It hydrates you and replenishes your electrolytes, especially if you are losing them by frequent visits to the toilet. This therefore speeds up your recovery. Food number 2, ginger. Ginger contains something called gingerol, which has a powerful medicinal property. This makes ginger a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Just 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger per day can help you to prevent various types of nausea, such as chemotherapy-related nausea, nausea after surgery, and morning sickness. Some studies also show that ginger helps with weight loss. Food number 3, garlic. Garlic is well documented for its medicinal properties. It has demonstrated antibacterial and antiviral properties. It's good for your immune system. Some literature has shown that people who eat garlic get sick less often than people who don't. It can reduce sickness days by 70% for those who consume garlic. Even eating garlic after you get a cold or a flu helps you to get better quicker. It also reduces your cold and flu symptoms. The next 4 are types of tea that are very important when you are sick. Number 4, peppermint. Apart from the unique flavor, it has mannitol, which helps if you have a cough. It gets rid of your congestion, so helps with breathing. It also decreases pain, inflammation, and body aches. Number 5, chamomile. One of doctor's recommendations is to have a rest when you are sick. It is usually difficult to sleep when you are sick. Chamomile has flavonoids in the petals which have a tranquilizing reaction. This helps you to sleep. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 6, echinacea. This North American tea can decrease cold by 58%. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps the immune system, speeding up your time of recovery from cold and flu. It is the best choice of tea to fight an oncoming illness. Number 7, green tea. Antioxidants in green tea take away bad bacteria and radicals when it comes to cold and flu. It reduces congestion and cough, hence your breathing gets better. It also improves brain function and fat burning. Thanks for watching. If you want to get the best natural keto recipes, click the link in the description below to get started.